All right, welcome back. I'm Joshua Casper, and we are still setting up our OneEngine WordPress theme. This is the second tutorial. The first tutorial, we went ahead and put in a logo, a favicon, and a contact us section with a new look about it, and we also edited the footer down here. So this time we're going to go ahead and start adding to the page. And the first thing I'm going to add is the services section. So we need to come to Appearance, Layout Builder. Okay. So let's name Alan Wall's Home. Create. Sweet. Okay, next thing we're going to do is every section has to have a container open and a container close. So right now, I'm just going to put a container open. We're just going to leave it at a default color for now, no background image, and that's looking good. And then I'm going to drag in a services, and then I'm going to drag in a container close. Okay, save template. Okay, now it's created a template ID 9 shortcode, and what we need to do is come over to the pages, all pages, home page here, and put in the shortcode. And that's it. Update it. Cool, and if we come in here now, we should have a new section on the website. We do. You can see the service section is here now. So what we want to do is go back into the Appearance Layout Builder, and we're actually going to add the services inside of this container. So 3 columns is sweet. Add new service. Name of the service is going to be Booking. And if you hit choose icon font, you can choose one of these fonts. So Booking, and let's just put a little plain. I don't know where it is here. If you see the plane, stop me. Plane, 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 plane. Plane, 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 plane. There are tons to choose from, and it might be difficult if you're doing something like me, which is booking for a DJ. So I just chose the plane, if I can find it. Did I miss it? Anybody? Plane. Jet. Sweet. And once you click that, you have to come down and hit submit. Cool. Animation style, I'm going to have this fade in from the left, or fade in right, if that's from the left then. And content, I'm going to put click here for booking. Cool. And add new service. I'm going to put remixing. And what's a good one for remixing, you think? I'm just going to choose this guy. Because there's not really an icon for remixing, right? Animation style, fade up. Fade in up. Sweet. Click here for remixing. Cool. Add new service, licensing, and we'll pick this spaceship here. You know what? Yeah, spaceship's fun. Animation, I'm going to fade in right. Fade in right. Cool. And click here for licensing. Sweet. And then I'm going to save the template. Then I'm going to come over here, refresh the page, and let's see what we got. Cool, we've got our things here. Now there's a problem. I can't click. And in this in the template, there's no way to be able to make those links clickable, or even links, I guess, to make that text clickable. So what we need to do is get into the PHP file for this block. It's called the services block. And the way we do that is we get back into FileZilla, and we Allen Walls, WordPress content, themes, OneEngine theme, plugins, page builder, blocks, and then we come down to service 1 block. Cool. Pull that out. And what we need to do is put in a bit of code that says we can allow special characters inside of that block editor. And the way we do that is we have to find this $ output dot equals and put in this bit of do underscore shortcode bracket HTML special characters decode unbracket, and then end those open bracket again, and then close both the brackets. Okay, so we have to go into the file inside of our PHP editor and find that. So let's do that now. Come over, edit with Notepad. Okay, services. So now the best way, I think, is just to come in and type in WebKit-animation delay. Let's try that. WebKit-animation. Find. Okay, so this is it, I'm pretty sure. Close this out, reopen this up. We have 3 if sentences. Nope. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Alright, so we got the serve output, all the div classes, and then 3. Perfect. This is where we need to be. So what I'm going to do is come inside of here, and I'm going to write do underscore shortcode right here. Between the equals and that, what's that called? Tick mark, I guess. Do underscore shortcode bracket special chars HTML special chars underscore decode. So I forgot the HTML underscore decode parenthesis. That looks good. And then what we have to do is come back down here and do parenthesis parenthesis. And then we just need to make sure. So that should work. Let's save it. Close this. And then put it over here. Overwrite, yes. Come back in. And let's type in some special characters. ahref equals blam. So right now I'm just going to put Casper.com just to see if it works. I'm just going to put in this. Click here for booking. Boom, 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 boom. That looks good. And I'm going to save it. And hopefully, cross your fingers. Click here for booking. See how it's a link now? And it will go to my regular website just because that's what I set it up to be. Now, what we want it to do is when we click here or click on here, we're going to make them both, or we can just leave it. I think we'll just leave this. But you could still put special characters here now, so if you wanted to make that a link, the actual just word booking, the title here, you could make that a link as well, but we're not going to do that. What I want to do is when I click here, it's going to shoot down to the contact form. And as we continue building onto this site, these 3 buttons won't be near the contact form, so it will just shoot down to the bottom of the page where the contact form is. I hope that makes sense. So what we have to do is get into the menu now. So we'll come into the menus. main menu, create. Cool, main nav, save. I come into links now, and what I want to do is add Alan Walls, joshuacasper.com / to that HTTP. Don't duplicate the HTTP, obviously. And then I want to do hashtag contact. Sweet. And I want to write contact. Add to menu. Cool. Save menu. Now, if that worked correctly, we should get a menu item that says contact up here. Cool. And if I hit it, it comes down to the bottom of the page. Sweet. So, what I have to do now is come in, and I'm just going to reduplicate it here. And I'm just going to take this code, or this link, save menu, and I need to come back into the appearance now, layout builder, services, booking, and instead of this, I'm just going to change it to this. I'm going to take all of that, I'm going to say okay, come into remixing, just paste it again. Now you can change that link if you want to go to a different part of the page or to a different space on the internet, whatever you want. Obviously you can do that, but this is just so it shoots down to the bottom of the page, and I'm going to use one contact form for everything, just to make it simple. Boom, and licensing. Cool. Save template. Come back in, refresh. And now they're all ready to go. If I hit it, it shoots it right to the contact page. Alright? That's pretty sweet, huh? We just turned that services PHP file and we started working it. Feel me? Anyway, I hope you learned something, and I'm going to continue manipulating this website and hopefully teaching you guys how you can do it for your own. If you have any questions or you want anything shown via video tutorial, just send me a message, alright? joshuacasper.com. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Peace.